All right, the little Massey 35 is doing great. I spent a bit of time today changing some of the wiring to, what are we gonna see? Can we see anything? The big change is the addition of this shunt so that we have display. Yeah, it's not lit up. But the good news is it's out of the weather and it's visible. Hola! Visible through the Lexan, through the pop-up hood. I can actually see it. Let's see. Draw a current. Let it light up. Now I'm driving the tractor forward, pulling a 2-bottom plow in the ground. 6, 7, 8 kilowatts. I can get most I can put to the ground with the traction I've got is about 11 kilowatts at this speed, doing this much work, which is pretty respectable for Massey 35. Starting to get a little bit of wheel slip here, and yeah, someone wanted to know how loud it is. There, I'm racing the engine, or racing the motor with the foot throttle in neutral, and it is not very noisy. There's some sheet metal vibrating, but here's the motor spinning down. And you can just see part of the shaft sometimes spinning in there in the coupler, and the fan, cooling fan, draws air in here and expels here. Oh, I can actually feel a little warmth there. The motor case, yeah, it's very slightly warm, but I've been pulling 5 to 10 kilowatts. I think this is my 3rd pass. Still just trying to get stuff dialed in, and removed the 3rd body from the plow. And obviously this isn't ideal plowing conditions, but man, it is not working bad. That's pretty darn cool. And now with the shunt and the gauge, the coulometer, now we have the means to measure the work we're doing. So time to get some manure spread and plow in some prairie.